Hello and welcome to the Maredith Management Smartwebs training tutorial. Today we are going to be covering the Architectural Review Committee tab and discussing how the Smartwebs platform is able to assist your committee in expediting the review and approval process of exterior alteration applications. With that being said, let's get started. Once you've had the opportunity to log into the Smartwebs system, please come over here to the left-hand side of the screen and click on this arc button. Once you've clicked on the arc button, it will bring you directly to the Current Projects tab. Under this tab, you'll find all exterior alteration applications listed that are currently under consideration by your committee. It will also include the amount of days before the project is due. So let's open one of these exterior alteration applications and take a look at it. Once you've opened the project, you'll find the owner's name, their property address, the project type, as well as the documents that go along with the exterior alteration application. So this PDF right here will always be the actual exterior alteration application itself. So each committee member can take the opportunity to log into the system and review this application, as well as all of the supporting collateral. And once you, as a committee member, have had the opportunity to do this, you can come over here to the committee forum and cast your vote, whether it be approved, approved with conditions, declined, or if you need more info. If you have a comment about the application, feel free to type that in here, and make sure to check the email approvers box so that your fellow committee members receive an email notification with your comments and are prompted to log into the Smartwebs system to review those. Now, if you have something that you want to share with the community manager, let your committee chair know, and they'll be able to come in and type user comments and check that email management box. So we'll give you a look at how they see it. So the committee chair would be able to type in comments right here and click on the email approvers box and email management box. Again, it's very important that you check both of these boxes if you want your fellow committee members to be able to review your comments and you want your community manager to be able to see what comments you have made on an exterior alteration application. Now, once all of the committee members have had the opportunity to vote on the application, it is the responsibility of the committee chair to give the final overall approval for the project. The committee chair will have to come over here where this red status box is, and again, the committee chair will be the only committee person that has this box, and they can drop it down and set the application in its final status, whether it be approved, approved with conditions, declined, or more info needed. So let's say this particular application is approved, there's no issues with the fence location. You would just simply, you would see the letter right down here, and you could click Save and Send. An email will be sent to the community manager. An email will be sent to the homeowner who submitted the application, notifying them that the application has been approved, and you're done. That's it. Now, some of the other options you need to include a reason with. So for instance, if you declined the fence, you'd have to type in here why the fence was declined, and that information would automatically pre-populate in the letter below. So hopefully this training tutorial was helpful to you today. If you have any other questions about how to utilize the Architectural Review Committee tab in the Smartwebs system, please feel free to reach out to your community manager. They're available to help, and they're eager to teach you all of the different facets that the Smartwebs system is able to offer you. So this concludes our training today, and I hope you'll join us for our next training. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.